Hello everybody, welcome back in a new video of SP-3D YouTube channel. In this video, I designed a very useful and functional coaster. The coaster consists of two main different parts. The first one is the coaster holder or base, in which all the coasters will be in when the coasters are not used. The second is the drink coaster. Mine, in this video, will have 10 of them. I will print the holder with copper silk PLA. The coasters will be print by white, blue, and black PLA. SP-3D logo once again will be on top of the coasters. Now that I've finished printing and have all the pieces in hand, it's time to place all of them in base. And this is the final result. This is the coaster I have designed. A coaster is a small flat disc placed under a glass or cup to protect surfaces from stains or heat. It's perfect for keeping tables clean and adding a stylish touch to your drink setup. To turn your ideas into reality with 3D printing, you need to know 3D design. That's what I recommend to all of you involved in 3D printing. As I show you the coaster on Freecad, I want to let you know that if you want to print it yourself, you can download the STL file from my SP-3D account on makerworld.com. The link will be in the video description. The file consists of two designs. The first one is the holder, which you will print one time, and the other is the coaster. This will be printed 10 times. You need a multicolor 3D printer for it. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, give it a like, and drop a comment below to let me know your thoughts. Your support means the world, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more videos and shorts.